Welcome back to another useful tech video with 99 reviews. Today I am going to tell you a method, how to create a customized vibration in your iPhone. So let's start the video. First, you have to open Settings in your iPhone, then go to Sound and Haptics. After that, scroll down and click on Default Alerts, and then tap on Haptics. When you scroll down, you can see the option Create New Vibration. Tap and open it. When you open Create New Vibration tab, a white screen appears, written that tap to create vibration pattern. So tap on the screen according to yourself. The more you tap, the more vibration it will produce. These small dots show the touches. After this, tap on Stop. And then you can replay the vibration by Play button. After that, simply click on Save and give this vibration any name. Now this is selected as your mobile vibration and works same as the default vibration, working, so this is a simple method of creating a customized vibration in your iPhone. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos like that, and I will see you in the next one.